Hi everyone, it's that time of year again. It's Christmas and we are going to be decorating a Christmas tree today. I'm so excited to show everybody how to decorate a Christmas tree. Everyone always asks me, what's the most important thing when you decorate a Christmas tree? Obviously, it's the most important thing is the lights. My recommendation is that you use 100 lights per vertical foot. That's incredibly important. I've opted to use silver picks this year, and it's our kind of coral picks. So let me show you how we're going to use them. What I like to do is get to the very top of the tree, and I like to push the pick into the tree like that. Just make sure that you put the same number of picks on either side, but I always like to use an odd number. So here we go. Here are the picks, and I'd like to spread the branches of the picks so you can see them at night. Depending on the size of your tree, I like to use ribbon. If your tree is anything above 12 feet, you should be using a 6-inch ribbon. But for anything below 12 feet, I like to use our 4-inch ribbon. And our 4-inch ribbon, this is what we call our clear ice, and I actually really love it because it's very, very easy to work with, and it looks beautiful in the tree. Let me show you how we work with it. First of all, everyone always asks me, why does my tree not look like your tree? First of all, you need at least 4 rolls of ribbon for a 9.5-foot tree because we like to hang our ribbon loose. So let me explain and show you how it works. Keep it nice and loose so it doesn't look like you wrapped your tree. To make sure that your tree looks even, you always want to stand back and look and see the ornaments, the ribbon, and everything is distributed evenly. I always like to use a filler type ornament to fill the tree up. So what I'd like to do is put that on first so we know where and what we have to put on next. So I've chosen this time is a flower, and I'd like to use 2 different flowers. Here it is. We're using a small rose. After doing our filler and our ribbon and our flowers, I like to choose a big ball. This is our 8-inch ball, and we've done it in white with a little bit of glitter on top. And I'm going to hang a few now. Let's see how that works. 2 different types of ornaments for this tree. We have chosen our classical box kit, and our box kit are made out of Shatterproof ornaments, which are fantastic if you have animals, pets, young children. And we do 5 kits a year, so we have our white, our golden white, and they're a great filler ornament. We also have our glass ornaments, which we're well known for, and they're beautiful as well, but you can combine the 2. So I use the box kit as our filler ornament, and the glass is our select or premium ornament. Something that everyone always asks me, should I decorate the back of my tree because it's up against the wall? I absolutely say yes, you should decorate the back of your tree, just in case you take a peek on the back. I like to vary the sizes of the ornaments on every Christmas tree, so I like to go from big to small, and I like to make sure that they're evenly distributed over the tree. We like to do a variation of ornaments. I like to use stars, maybe a flat ornament as well. I love our reindeer with the fur collar, and it looks gorgeous when you put it on. Let me show you how it works. So what I like to do is I don't like to hang it loosely. Here we have again our Shatterproof range with a glitter finish, which I love. And then we have our glass star. So what we're going to do is we're going to distribute these evenly around the tree. So if you have 5 or 6 pieces, I would split up the tree in quarters and I would hang them accordingly. This is the results of a lot of hard work. We finished the trees. I've got to find one more area to hang this last ornament, and I just saw it. Here it is. Merry Christmas. Follow us on Instagram at Irony Home and look us up online at ironyhome.com. See you there.